Good morning. Derrick Sanderson coming at you for this week's Monday morning market update. I hope you had a fantastic 4th of July weekend. Uh, Before we jump in, I've got a big announcement. I have moved brokerages. That's right. I left Keller Williams Realty and am now super excited to announce that I have joined eXp Realty, the fastest growing real estate brokerage this nation has ever seen. More about that in another video at another time. But without further ado, let's jump into this week's market update. So I take a look at single family residential homes here in Chico for the sake of this update. If you have any questions about any other segment of the market, definitely reach out and I'm more than happy to get you that information. So, a snapshot. As of 8 o'clock this morning, there are 146 active listings on the market here in Chico, 111 under contract. For those 146 homes, we're coming in at just over 537,500 for a median list price. And for those 146 homes, we have an average days on market of 42 days. All these numbers have crept up since I last saw you 2 weeks ago because we took the 4th of July off. Okay, taking a look at the last 7 days, just to give a little bit more context, we've had 23 homes hit the market, 20 under contract, and 18 have closed. These numbers have dipped from 2 weeks ago, and I think part of that is the 4th of July weekend because this does include the 4th of July, and we don't tend to see a lot of new activity happening on national holidays, especially the 4th of July. Okay, taking a look at the whole month of June because we didn't do an update last week. We're going to do that now. So in June, we had 113 homes sell. That's up about 15 from the month prior, with an average days on market of just 16 days and that median list price and median sales price. So this is now the third week in a row that median sales price for looking at a 1 month period is actually lower than the median list price, which again tells us what we already know. We are in the process of the market moving to a more normal market as far as sales. And interest rates. So they have fluctuated quite a bit over the last 2 weeks. Last time I saw you 2 weeks ago was 5.85. There briefly you dropped to 5.5. And then over the last few days, not including the weekend, it's back up to 5.8. For total disclaimer, I'm not a mortgage professional. However, I have lots of friends that are, and I'm more than happy to connect you with some of them if you have more questions. And every Monday, I post a Monday morning motivational quote. And this is this week's: when one door closes, another opens. But we often look so long and so regretfully upon the closed door that we do not see the one that has opened for us. So this week, I want to encourage you, whatever closed doors you're facing, it's okay to grieve and mourn that door closing. But here's the reality: if we focus on that closed door, we very well could miss the other door that has opened. So it's okay to look at that closed door, mourn it, grieve it, and then look for that open door that is open, because I don't want you to miss opportunity that is right in front of you. And that's all I've got for you this week for Monday Morning Market Update. I will see you next Monday. Until then, stay cool and have a fantastic week.